Many homes carry architectural character that tells a story. From charming trim details to classic rooflines, these design elements create a sense of identity and timeless appeal. Windows are one of the most visible features contributing to that character. For homeowners in Mandeville who want to preserve traditional aesthetics while upgrading performance, historic-style double-hung windows offer the perfect balance of authenticity and modern reliability. Preserving architectural charm, double-hung windows have long been associated with traditional home design. Their symmetrical appearance and vertically sliding sashes make them a staple in historic and colonial-style architecture. In Mandeville neighborhoods with established character, historic-style double-hung windows maintain that classic look. The balanced proportions and familiar grid patterns blend seamlessly with older homes while enhancing curb appeal. Modern performance behind a traditional look, while historic charm is important, comfort and efficiency matter just as much. Today's historic-style double-hung windows in Mandeville homes are engineered with advanced materials and insulation features. Homeowners can enjoy improved temperature control and reduced drafts without sacrificing visual authenticity. Custom grid and trim options. One of the defining features of historic-style windows is the grille pattern. Mandeville homeowners can choose from a variety of grid configurations to match the architectural style of their home. Whether you prefer traditional divided light patterns or more subtle detailing, customization allows for a faithful design match. Maintaining neighborhood cohesion and consistency in architectural style contributes to the overall appeal of a neighborhood. In Mandeville, upgrading to historic-style double-hung windows helps preserve the cohesive look of traditional streetscapes. The timeless design enhances both individual homes and the surrounding community aesthetic. Smooth, reliable operation. While historic windows once required manual balancing and frequent upkeep, modern double-hung designs offer smooth functionality. Homeowners in Mandeville benefit from updated mechanisms that allow both sashes to open and close effortlessly. This makes daily ventilation simple while maintaining the traditional look. Improved ventilation flexibility. Double-hung windows offer two operable sashes, which provide greater control over airflow. In Mandeville homes, opening the top sash allows warm air to escape while fresh air enters through the bottom. This classic design supports effective natural ventilation in both historic and modern settings. Energy efficiency. Without compromise, older windows often lacked proper sealing and insulation. Modern historic-style double-hung windows installed in Mandeville residences include tight weatherstripping and insulated glass options. These features improve comfort while preserving architectural integrity. Durable materials. For long-term beauty, traditional wood frames can require regular maintenance. Many historic-style double-hung windows today are available in low-maintenance materials that replicate the appearance of wood. Mandeville homeowners can enjoy the beauty of classic design with reduced upkeep. Boosting home value. Homes that maintain architectural authenticity often retain strong market appeal. In Mandeville neighborhoods, historic-style double-hung windows contribute to both curb appeal and property value. Their timeless appearance adds character that stands the test of time. A classic upgrade with modern comfort. Historic-style double-hung windows offer the best of both worlds. For homeowners in Mandeville, they provide traditional elegance paired with modern performance and durability. By choosing windows that honor the past while embracing today's advancements, you enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and long-term value, without compromising its original charm.